through that 4-to-1 step down the transformer. That'll be about 2.5 volts in the field. It doesn't produce much at this somewhat low RPM. We'll connect the field and show that. Oh, Christ. And we can note that we got about 20% more out of the left one than we do the right one. And those are adding up to be unity. And now what we want to do now is shut the field back off. Show the rotation. And I don't know if we'll be able to tell on the camera, it's rotating counterclockwise. Now we're going to reverse the rotation. This is problematic. It doesn't always work for some reason. Press reverse, enter, and start. It worked that time. Now it's going clockwise. Now we look at the parametric output when it's going clockwise. The same thing. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to reverse the field input. We're applying a double negative here. And since we're reversing both the rotation and the field input, we should achieve the same thing. First we'll reverse the connections. Now we'll turn the field on. And as we can see, before we had over 2 volts, now we only have 1.6 volts. So obviously remanent magnetism must be the culprit here. Now we'll shut the field off. Now what happened now? Now we have 0 output. No parametric output, so this leads one to suspect that a parametric output is a myth, but it could be the fact that the parametric output is actually opposing the remanent magnetism effect, and that's why we're getting the 0. Later on we're going to show some other things, how the parametric output definitely exists and is different from the regular field inputted electrical output. Now we'll go and put it back to our original rotation. We'll go back and show the rotation being reversed. That's our original rotation. And in our original rotation, that's also been put to 0. We reverse our field input again. Turn the field on. What's going on here? Something like that. Oh, I see that. Okay. No, I'm confused. Once again, we have some kind of foul-up going on here, folks. Son of a bitch. Oh, okay. This has got to go there. Now we have that back to our original conditions. And notice now our original conditions. Evidently, when we reverse the polarity, it demagnetized it, so we'll go up to about twice. What we got now is about 22 volts divided by 4. And now we'll turn that back off again. And we're more or less back to where we started, I think. 25 and 16, it's not quite up to where it was. Turn it back on again. And we get a knocking sound going on here after we put power in. It's putting 7 volts on. That's not good. And we should be close to where we were before, but we're not. 26 and 16 is 42, and we'll call this quits.